It almost crashed. My ER40 almost crashed.
Waters from Choctaw lost several Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1 a.m. At 11:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles north of our tower, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous
bro. What do you expect?
Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
You can go to knife him, it's fine, do it. He's gonna stop raging if you don't.
The Marine Forecast.